Diabetes cure juice. The main causes of diabetes and the risk factors that may increase the chances of diabetes are poor diet of high carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, obesity due to the extra amount of fat in the body, the insulin may not function properly, virus infection like the Coxsackie virus that may infect the pancreas, impairing the release of insulin, emotional stress. Excessive and prolonged grief, anxiety, stress, and worry may alter the blood sugar level, leading to diabetes. Smoking. People who chain smoke are highly susceptible to developing diabetes. Ayurveda says to cure diabetes naturally at home, this carrot plus bitter gourd and onion juice helps very effectively. For this juice, we need 2 carrots, 1 bitter gourd, and half onion. Carrots are good blood regulators and also help to cure main problems in diabetics. Juice with a green vegetable helps bring down sugar level naturally and keeps diabetes at bay. Firstly, wash all the ingredients and make them into slices. Now, add the ingredients one by one to the blender and blend thoroughly. After blending well, take the mixture into a glass and drink daily. Consume this amazing juice daily and put your diabetes at bay. Aim to eat more greens as they are the best for helping in regulating blood sugar level. Bitter melon, cucumber, and okra have insulin-like properties. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.